Welcome to this video on AD Vidlogs. So this will be a short video about the AXOR Apex Hunter, a full face helmet. So let's begin with the unboxing. This comes inside this nice little bag that AXOR has provided, and the quality of this bag is excellent. So here is our helmet. So this is the helmet. So first, the safety features. This helmet is both DOT and ECE certified. So at a price point of around 5,000 rupees, this is one of the few helmets which provide certification of both ECE and DOT. Though I would prefer ECE certification because it is actually tested certification, whereas ISI and DOT, they are both only honorary certifications, which means that the manufacturers only conform to or declare that they have conformed to certain set guidelines, and based on that they certify that their helmet is DOT conformant, but or ISI conformant. But in case of ECE, these products are actually tested by the certification authorities, impact test and other such tests, to provide such certifications. So ECE for me is more valuable than DOT. Now the second most important safety feature is that this helmet comes with these D-rings instead of the quick release straps that you commonly see on other helmets like SMK and so on. So that provides an additional bit of security in case of a crash. This helmet won't come off easily off your head. And now the third safety feature. For this, I will peel off this visor protector skin. So this is the third safety feature. AXOR is the only other manufacturer apart from SMK to provide these anti-fog elements on the visor within this 5,000 price bracket. There is no other helmet available in India apart from AXOR and SMK which provides these anti-fog inserts on the visor. So these become very helpful when you are riding in cold or foggy conditions, or even during the rain, so that the mist sort of haziness does not get accumulated on the visor and blur your vision. And this anti-fog insert is from Pinlock. Here you can see the Pinlock badging. It's Pinlock 30. Next, the design features. There is this chin air inlet. There are air inlets at the top here, and then there are air outlets at the back here. This one. Next, this helmet has an internal sun visor as well. Here is the mechanism. You move this backward and the sun visor comes down. You move it forward, the visor goes up. So these are other inside the box items that AXOR has provided. This one is a spoiler. This is a spoiler. It will sit in here. I'll show you later how. Now these are some stickers. This is an AXOR branding. This is to mention your blood group on your helmet, so that in case of an accident, the people or the hospital guys will know which sort of blood is to be provided to you, just in case you need it. So that's nice. And these are some reflective patches which you can put anywhere on your helmet so as to increase its night visibility. Now fixing the rear spoiler. For this you can see there is a hole here on this side on the right, and there is again a hole here on the left, and then there are two holes here. These are not holes, actually cutouts on the air outlet vent here. Now on the spoiler you will see there is one lock here, there is another one here, this pin, and there are two in the middle. So what you have to do now is you have to simply align this hole here, the other hole on the other side, this pin and the hole on the other side, and here in the middle these two pins should sit right on the cutouts. Now here, as you can see, this edge on the helmet and this edge on the spoiler, they are perfectly matched. See? So after the holes are aligned, you just have to push the pins in and the spoiler is affixed. And now the spoiler is fixed on the helmet. It is attached, and this gives a nice nice touch to the flowing lines of the helmet. So that's nice.
Bring on the thunder, bring on the rain. I'll race towards the further shore, a winner in this game. The world's my playground, I make the rules, though the goal is always clear.
Now just in case you are struggling with using this D-ring, double D-ring, if you have not used it earlier, so this is how to use it. So this is the strap and these are the double D-rings. So what you have to do is first put this strap through both the rings and take it out on the other side like this, and then separate these two rings, bring this strap from the other side and put it through the middle and take it out from the other side like this, and then you tighten it. It's not very complicated, it's quite easy. And then use this button to button it up here so that the strap does not hang around. So this thing is completely secure, and this double D-ring mechanism, for your information, is also used on MotoGP helmets. So that was all about the AXOR Apex Hunter, and I hope you like the video. If you like, please do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get updates on the new videos that I upload. And if you have any queries or comments, please do mention in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.
Man, I've come for your money and all your honeys, 'cause I can. I'm the man, let you, but the ladies can't